Welcome everyone to the second tutorial of Raspberry Pi series. Today we will be doing the setup for your Raspberry Pi. Now let's start it. For this purpose, you will be requiring a Raspberry Pi B+3 model, a power supply, a microSD card at least 8 GB, a keyboard and a mouse, a TV or a computer screen, HDMI cable, SD card reader, and in the software you will be requiring a Raspberry Pi OS, which is the Raspbian. So now let's go and do the steps setting up the OS for the Raspberry Pi. For this purpose, you will be taking your SD card, insert it into your SD card reader and format the SD card. Then go to the Raspberry Pi official website and go to downloads, select the Raspberry Pi OS, which is previously called as Raspbian. Now select the Raspberry Pi OS 32-bit with desktop version from the options. Download and save the zip file. Now let's move further. After that, insert the microSD card into your Raspberry Pi, connect the mouse and the keyboard. After that, turn on your monitor or TV set and make sure it is set to your proper input. For example, in my case, it's HDMI 1. Plug the HDMI cable or the video component into your monitor and the other end to the Raspberry Pi. Now connect the power supply to the Raspberry Pi and it will start booting up. Now let's see other steps. After this, you may be getting this window to select the version or select the OS. Click on Raspbian and select yes. It will take some time to install all the files of the OS, and after that you will be able to see a window or a desktop like this. After this, we just require to set up few steps which we'll be doing in the hands-on. So let's go and do the hands-on. Now let's start the hands-on. Insert your microSD card reader and go to computers. Format it. Yes. As you can see, it's completed now. Now let's go to the Raspberry side. After this, go to the download section. And over here, choose Raspberry Pi OS. In this, go and download the zip file of this version. As you can see, a download is complete. Now let's see the file. Do this. Now let's transfer this file to our SD card. This PC USB drive, and let's wait until it's done. As you can see, it's done now. After this, we will be moving towards the Raspberry Pi setup. We are with our setup. We have connected the mouse and the keyboard with a Raspberry Pi. We have also connected the HDMI cable, and we have connected the power supply with the power bank. So now let's go and see the booting up process. Let's power on the Raspberry Pi and wait until it boots up. You can see it started booting up. Over here you are able to see in the desktop screen. Now if you want to change any setting, you will need to go in the preferences and then Raspberry Pi configuration. As you can see, you can change the host name, you can change the password. The default password is Raspberry, so it's must you change that up. Auto login as Pi, and we have, if you want to change the resolution, you can change that. Interfacing, if you want to enable camera, you can. If you want to enable SSH, you can. For VNC, that is also available. SPI, I2C, serial port, serial console, remote GPIO, all this can be easily done from this interface. If you want to change the time, keyboard setting, Wi-Fi, this can also be done from here. The tutorial is done. Thanks for watching.